Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you must have seen from the title, I have a cool video in store for you guys today. I don't know why TikTok made me do this. Anyways, I'm going to be doing makeup looks, especially mostly eye focused makeup looks inspired by my favorite albums. So today is day one. I'm going to be doing 4 looks. So without further ado, let's get started. So today is day one, and today's look is inspired by my favorite album, which is Melodrama by Lorde. This album, I've ever since it released, it's on repeat. I mean, like, I don't play it every day, but it's the most my most favorite album. And if you're wondering, my favorite song is Writer in the Dark. Yeah, Lord, we are waiting for you for your next album. Please save us. Save us. Okay, anyways, so this is how I interpret the album with my look. So it's really, everyone interprets it differently. So this makeup look is how I interpreted it into the album cover into makeup. So first I'm going to take the 3502 palette and I'm going to use this red shade in my crease. I'm going to be patting the red in my crease, and so I'm taking that red and on slightly above my crease. I'm going to wing it out a bit, actually a lot, till at least slightly further than my album. I'm saying eyebrow. I already filmed in my brows and did my foundation, so yeah. I'm going to be taking the 3502 palette and I'm going to be using this yellow now, and I'm going to be using this light blue, this medium blue, the dark blue, and I'm going to use the white in this palette. So just giving you a heads up instead of keeping on picking it up 2 million times. Yes. So yeah, I'm going to take a clean brush and pick up that yellow to blend this red. No one's gonna follow this tutorial, I doubt it, but it's fun to watch, so enjoy. Okay, so I'm taking like a soft brush, and I'm going to be picking the red from the 3502 palette and just deepening up a bit. Okay, blending that. Then I'm going to be taking a flat brush and I'm using a almost white concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Fairest, which is the lightest shade available in the Indian market. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to use it to cut my crease. So what like a tip is to look straight. I have semi-hooded eyes, so I look straight, and then you just dot the line and then you connect it and fill it. Okay. Okay. Now once that's done, you take a small brush and right near the root, like the cut crease, you take a white shade, you set it. And now we're going on the fun part. Okay, take the lightest blue you own and we're going to leave like a white gap. We're going to leave a white gap and we're going to start the ombre on the eye. So the lightest blue goes on the inner corner, taking the light blue from the Morphe palette and mixing a bit of white in it so it looks like a more pastel color. Then we're gonna take that light blue and the medium blue and do it right next to this one. Then you take the deepest blue meaning the medium blue, and mix the darkest blue and put it right next to this. And at the edge of your eye, you connect it to the back. Taking a bit of black and darkening the end. Look at that. So pretty. So pretty. Hey guys, so I'm back. So the part of what I filmed didn't record, so now I'm gonna explain quickly what I did. On the top, the ombre from light to dark on the bottom lash line, and that same light blue I smeared it on the sides, and the wing I darkened with the dark blue. And now I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do the rest of my face. I'm gonna take the red in this palette and gently push it on my hairline like how you would contour, but not that bright red, just a bit. And then I'm gonna take the yellow from that palette and use it to blend the red. Okay. Then I'm going to use my go-to Wet n Wild Chestnut eye lip liner to line my lips. And then I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution matte lipstick in the shade Muse on my lips. I'm going to set my face. So this is the finished Melodrama album inspired makeup. So the first look is done, and now 3 more looks are left to do. So let's get on with that. Hey guys, so today is day 2 of this video. So today I'm going to be doing a look inspired by one of my favorite albums, which is Krow by Conan. I love Conan. I've been following him for like a couple years now, and my favorite song is Wish You Were Sober or Maniac. Like one of these. Maniac was a bop. Now I'm more into Wish You Were Sober, but both are amazing. So yeah, as you can see, there's a crow in the it's in the name, it's in the album cover. So I'm going to be doing like that bird wing on the ends of my eyes. So we're going to be doing that first. I've already done my base because that's boring. So first I'm going to be priming my eyes. I'm just using a base like a concealer. So first I'm going to be taking a black eyeshadow. Any black eyeshadow will do. And I'm going to be drawing like the outside. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the wing part and just follow what I'm doing. I'm gonna be taking a liquid eyeliner. I'm taking the Lakme Absolute Shine Liner. So I've drawn like 4 little nubs with the feathers. Okay, so then you're gonna take a very tiny brush that we use to draw this. So you're just gonna redefine the lines. Take the pointiest brush you own and take that black eyeshadow and just blend in a bit the wing. and I'm gonna do it on this eye and be right back. So I'm taking the white eyeshadow, any white eyeshadow will do. I'm taking from the Morphe 35B and just slightly apply a bit in contrast. Okay, so I've extended my inner corners, I've done my eyebrows and contour, blush, highlight, and now is the fun part. We're gonna I'm taking, if you have a black lipstick, use that, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna use a kajal eyeliner pencil. This one is bougie. This is the Dior Show Kohl Intense pencil, Kohl pencil. So yeah, this is a vampy look, so you can pair this with nude lipstick. I'm going all out. This should do it. Make sure your lips are moisturized, like you put chapstick, otherwise it's gonna be really hard to use a kohl pencil. Correct the mistakes if there are any. I'm gonna set my face. So I've set my face. So this is the final Kid Krow by Conan Gray inspired makeup look. I hope you guys like this. I think it's growing on me. I think it looks so cute. So yeah, let's get on to the next look. Hey guys, so today is the third look, day 3. So today we're going to be doing a look inspired by the Afters album by The Weeknd. I love this album ever since it released, and my favorite song is Faith. So yeah, so I'm recreating like the deluxe album, which is half red, half black. I'll be doing a red and black look. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to be taking the same kohl pencil we took in the previous look, and we're going to be drawing like a oval shape instead of a cut crease. I wanted to do something different, so just follow along with the shape that I'm doing. That kind of a shape, can you see? So it's like an oval shape, and I'm going to do it on this eye. So the hard part is done, where we do like the shapes. So now we're gonna shade that black line with black eyeshadow. Take a little bit of black eyeshadow, just follow along, like follow that line and smudge it. You smudge the line. Take the same brush, and then you're gonna take a bright red. I'm taking the red from the 3502 palette. Just placing that right below the same brush. Just clean it out and then just pat it and blend like that, and then you're gonna do it on the other eye. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is take that red, put it on your whole lash line. Don't smudge it down, otherwise you look like you have pink eye. Then you're gonna take your black eyeshadow and put it on the outer part. Connect the line from top to down. So then you're going to take a simple liquid liner and do a thin line on your eyes and extend the inner corners. And now I'm going to skip through the blush and highlighter and contour, and I'm going to put mascara, and I'm going to be right back. So now only lips are left. So first we're going to I'm taking the Cherry Skies Liquid Suede by NYX and lining my lips with this. doing a round lip, so it goes like with the, I don't know, I think it's cool. Then we are drawing like the blood drip from here. Then I'm gonna be taking the Miss Fenty Stunner Lip Paint in Uncensored. Taking whatever the leftover red is there to add depth. And now I'm just gonna set my face. So this is the After Hours inspired makeup. He has like blood in the album here, so he has it all over his face, but I just kept it to the lips. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I ended up doing 3 looks because otherwise this video would be too long. So give this video a thumbs up and comment down below which album you want to see next, because I can turn this into a series and I want to, because there's so many albums that have inspired me. And yeah, subscribe and share this video, and yeah, that's enough for today. Bye, thanks for watching.